Hi, my name is Eli, and this is my brother, Evan. And today we're going to learn about clouds by doing an experiment. First thing that we need is shaving cream, then some food-colored water, and we're going to need 3 of these. They're obviously from Walmart. And we need this. We need a big mason jar full of water. Alrighty, first step into making our very own rain cloud is by using some shaving cream and pouring it in. Ready? Oh, that's going completely. Wow. Whoa. Stop.
Keep going.
Keep going. She said keep going. Then we need food coloring and these medicine drops.
Abby.
Suck it up like this. Now, Evan, you squirt it in. While I get that one ready. Stick it in completely, Evan. It's expanding.
Wow.
Now this one. Can I do this one? So you know what just happened right here? All the food coloring went into the cloud and got pushed out into the bottom. So that's how rain clouds work. So when you pour a little bit of food coloring on top, like we just did, it'll go straight through the shaving cream, like our cloud. I'll go have some science fun.
Oh no.